Hello guys, welcome back to SaaS Ltd deals. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to our channel to get the best lifetime deals on SaaS software. I'm back with another review and today I'm going to review Flipner AI. So Flipner is an AI voice to text app. It can be super helpful on your content creation tasks. So what it does is boost your writing speed. So during writing, you can provide input on Flipner. You can provide your unorganized thoughts or unorganized writing, and Flipner is going to make it super organized so that you can use that article for publication. And for providing input on Flipner, there are multiple sources. So you can record audio, you can write text, you can add subtitle in order to provide input on Flipner. And then Flipner is going to organize this text so that it can be used as an article or a written content. And Flipner is currently available on Appsumo as a lifetime deal. The regular price is over $200, but at Appsumo, you're getting this tool at only $39. This is a one-time single payment. Now let's have a look at all the plans and features. So you can add unlimited text and notes. There are 30 plus languages that are available for both input as well as output. There are also 10 plus tones of voices or writing styles. There is rewrite mode, choice of another output language, voice notes, upload audio files, download audio files, mobile friendly interface. So Flipner also has a mobile app, and there is also a 50-minute audio note limit for writing your articles. And these are two tiers that you can buy from Appsumo. The tier 1 costs $39. So here, the AI generated characters per month is limited to 50,000 characters, and you can also add 150 minutes of total audio note storage. So it is going to be used when you record live audio or when you upload audio file for input. There is also tier 2 that costs $159. It gives you 500k AI generated characters, 750 minutes of total audio note storage. So if you want to buy Flipner AI on a lifetime deal from Appsumo, make sure you check the link in the description below. Also, if you are new to Appsumo, you can get 10% off your first purchase. Watch the full video till the end to know how. Now, before I show you how Flipner works, let me first take you to the product hunt page of Flipner. So here is Flipner AI, the product hunt page, and they have got some very good reviews on this platform. I can also show you the product hunt launch for Flipner AI. So here's that. Now, if I open this, and as you can see, they have got an amazing number of upvotes, over 1,700 on product hunt. So after you log into Flipner, you're going to get this dashboard. And in order to start working, you have to create text columns. As you can see on the left side, there is already one column. So just like this, you also have to create your own column. But before I do that, let me once again tell you what Flipner exactly is. So what it does is make your content creation process super easy, way more easier than the manual process of writing content. So when we write content, what we usually do is open a Google Doc file or a Microsoft Word file, and then we start typing whatever we want to add on the article. But most of the time, the writings we are adding, they are very unorganized. We add various sentences, various words that we need to change later because they are very unorganized. And that is exactly where Flipner is going to shine. So what it does is make your article, make your writing process way more organized from the initial stage. So let me show you how that works. So first of all, you have to create a text column. And in order to do that, you have to first select the input language. So obviously Flipner is going to organize your text using AI. So for the input, what language you're going to use, you have to select that on here. And then you have to choose the output language. So obviously you're going to give your input, and then Flipner is going to make it more organized. But it is going to do that in what language, you have to select that on here. And then you can also choose the writing style. So you have to choose this style based on the type of article or the type of content that you're creating. So if you're not sure what type of content you're creating, the exact category, you can just select this simple and clear. But there are also some other options such as metaphorical, legal, journalistic, and so many other options. So based on your writing, you have to choose the category, the style from here. So I'm just going to select simple and clear. Now let's create the column. Okay, so the column has been created. Now let's name this column. Okay, so the name has been added. Now I can add our inputs, and we have to do that using this snippet feature. So if I click on this, so now there are various ways in order to provide input for the article, for the content that you want to write. So you can provide that using live audio. You can also provide that using text, just like you do with Google Docs or on Microsoft Word. You can also provide an audio file from your computer. You can upload one. You can also add subtitle in order to turn that into article or more organized content. So first of all, what I want to do is add an input using this text snippet. So let's click on this. And now on this box, I have to provide the input. So on this column, this first article column, I want to write an article about mountains. So here is one paragraph about mountain. All I have to do is click on add a snippet. And as you can see, it has been added. Now if I click on this, so as you can see, now we can see the input. We can edit it if we want. We can also save it. But in order to make it more organized, we can rewrite it. So all we have to do is just select the language input 1, output 1, and we can also select the writing style and then click on rewrite. So here's the input and then we have got the output on here. So now if we want to save it, just click on save. And if I close it, as you can see, it has now been saved. So just like this, you can add various snippets. Now let's add another one. So this time I'm going to add live audio. So I have to allow the microphone. Mountains are also dangerous. They have various dangerous roads. The weather can be unpredictable. So if you have noticed, using the live audio feature, I have provided an input. So what it does is turn your unorganized thoughts into very organized content. So as you can see, we have got a very good output by giving a not so good input. So once again, I can open it. And if I still don't like it, I can rewrite it. I can also add something more on here if I want. And then I can save it, copy it, or also delete it. So now what I want to do is add another snippet, and this time it is going to be subtitle. So this is the text. Now let's just add it. Okay, so now if I open this, I can once again rewrite it. And there you go, the rewrite process has been complete. So it looks way more organized than the previous one, the input that we give. And then we can just save it. So just like this, you can add as many snippets as you want on the text column. And for that, there are various methods. So you can use live audio, text, audio file from your computer, or also subtitle. And a great feature on here is that you can also move these snippets. So for example, I want to move it from top to bottom. So as you can see, now it has moved. You can also take one snippet from a column to another, just like this. So this is how you can super easily move whatever you want in order to organize your articles. And for example, you have now gathered all these snippets that you need for an article. Now you want one single article from all of these snippets. There is also a feature on Flipner for that is called one-click article. So if you click on this, so now you can summarize, which means you're going to get a summary based on all these drafts. So all you have to do is just click on summarize. You can also set the input language, output language, writing style. So let's click on this. So as you can see, now we have got the article. We have got a very good summary based on all these snippets. Now you can also rewrite it. If you do not like this one, you can also rewrite. For that, you can also change various settings. So the rewrite mode was set to snippets, which means in order to rewrite, the AI has considered all these snippets. But what I want this time is considering the last text, which means now the AI is going to rewrite using this last text. So let's see what we get. Okay, so now we have got another version of the summary or the article that is ready for publication. And to be honest, this looks way better than the previous one. So just like this, you can change or customize various settings on here, and then you can rewrite and keep rewriting until you get the perfect article that is fully ready according to you for publication. And once you like the output from the AI, just click on save on that particular output. So now you can always get the summary if you click on this action and go to view summarize. So you can always see this one. So overall, Flipner AI is an excellent tool. Writing can be a challenging task, especially when you go through writer's block or a simple slump. So during those moments, as well as regular time, you can use Flipner in order to speed up your writing process. You have so many options to provide the input. You can record audio, you can provide text, you can upload an already recorded file, and then Flipner is going to give you an output that is super organized and ready for publishing. So if you want to buy Flipner AI on a lifetime deal from Appsumo, make sure you check the link in the description below. With this tool, you're going to get all these features, and these are 2 tiers that you can buy from Appsumo. So if you are new to Appsumo, you can get 10% off your first purchase. For that, go to the link in the description, and once you enter the link, you are going to get a pop-up like this, and on this box you have to provide your email, then click on unlock my 10%, and then you will get a link in your email. Go to that link, and this way you can get 10%. You have to use it from Appsumo credits gift, and this 10% discount is only for new customers. You can also join our SaaS discussion group on Facebook to get latest updates on SaaS software, exciting discounts, and attractive giveaways just like this.